Hello friends, this is your astrologer Sandeep Kataria, and in this video I bring you the weekly horoscope. Life is unexpected and tricky. Knowing your future can be of great help to prepare yourself for events. Well, if you want to know what all may happen with you this week, then I am going to discuss these aspects for each of the 12 zodiac signs for the period July 19 to July 25, 2020. So let us start with the first weekly horoscope, Aries. At the beginning of the week, you may feel not very enthusiastic about your work or career prospects. Some of you may even feel underconfident to take up new professional challenges or any new responsibility. There is no point in trying to escape situation, as it might put you in some awkward scenario at work. It may have an impact on your professional and social reputation also. Another important observation is that during the week, you may buy something which you actually do not need. This would be wasting your hard-earned money. Sometime during the middle of the week, you may devote yourself to the family matters. Some of the Aries natives may think of joining their family business also. If you do so, you would certainly have the potential to contribute to the growth of business. At the important meetings or social gatherings, prepare your presentation points well. At the last minute, you may forget important points or face some confusion to take some important decision. Avoid depending on your intuition in sensitive matters, as your judgment can go wrong. In case of some Aries natives, some health problems may come up. Have a healthy daily routine and avoid restlessness and anxiety. Take proper rest and enough sleep. If you play your cards well, the whole week can be favorable. Some of the Taurus natives can expect financial gain from overseas. Similarly, if you had invested smartly in the past, you can now see decent growth. Some business persons can earn good profit, which can boost their bank balance. You may make new connections. Couples expecting second child may get favorable news. Singles can find soulmates within the known circles. However, during the middle of the week, you may see some challenging situations. You would possibly feel luck is not your own side, especially if you are trying your hand at speculation or gambling. Possibilities of some existing health problems flaring up are not ruled out. Another observation from the transit of planets over the Taurus horoscope is that they should avoid getting involved in family feuds. Otherwise, they risk getting embroiled in controversies. If you lend money to someone, the chances of recovery would be very low, and it shall put you down negatively. If you are in love, this is a time to share it with your family, as you can get some support from the family members. Students can expect good results. This week is likely to keep Gemini natives quite busy. It could be physical work or intellectual work. If nothing else, it would be overthinking and worry, which would keep you occupied. At the professional front, you may be involved in implementing your plans for future growth and success. Do take the help of your team members to make the job of implementation easier. At present, Mars is in transit over your 10th house. Hence, make full use of the promising period to get beneficial results in your business or in your career. Your opponents and competitors will have to run for cover, as you are full of energy to challenge them, and you will definitely perform well in your career. Some of the Gemini natives would also be in a position to make money out of their hobbies or passion. You may also get some profits in small investments. These can help to enhance your savings. On the family front, there is likely to be good domestic harmony. You may expect some changes in life. It could be job change or in personal life. This change can offer growth in life over the long term. You will enjoy some good romantic moments together with your love partner. Lovebirds can relish happy moments, single people can find love. The investments and speculative activities won't be favorable this week. You may feel sad and impatient, which can have an adverse effect on your motivation level. Therefore, risky investments and speculation should be avoided. At the starting of the week, you may be busy at work. Things are now looking up for your profession. Your focus on your professional goal is also good. You are likely to see some rewards for your smart work and hard work. If you are in job, your performance at work is going to be appreciated by your seniors. Some of the Cancer natives may expect some changes in the place of work or shift in job role. On the financial front, you may plan for higher education for your children, while some other Cancer natives may do investments for their children's future. Wise investments made by you in the past would show some profits now. Health will be better now. With some efforts, you can improve level of domestic harmony. Starting of the week will be profitable in your professional life. This is because Moon is in the 10th house along with Rahu. Some of the natives will get monetary benefits through your overseas contacts or export-import business. Sun in the 12th house and retrograde Saturn in the 6th house are the indicators from the transit of planets that you need to be very careful about your health, especially if there is some chronic ailment. Some Leo natives might be required to financially help some friend or elder siblings. Property-related matters will take time to get resolved. Hence, wait for some time and don't be restless. If you make some investment now or start a new project, it might show losses during this period. But don't take this as a permanent loss. The position is likely to change. Mother's health might need medical attention. In the social circles and professional circles, you should conduct yourself carefully and avoid being involved in controversies. Otherwise, it might pull you down negatively. Toward the end of the week, your inner strength will become stronger and your faith in spirituality will also become stronger. Starting of the week will be favorable in your professional life. This is because Moon is in the 10th house along with the Lord of the house, Mercury. With Rahu also posited in the 10th house and the aspects of Jupiter and Mars, you can expect positive changes and these have the potential to make you happy. Overall, you shall be more energetic and more focused on your work. Only thing you should be careful about would be to be careful of any dispute with the business partner. In love matters, Virgo natives will have to be careful. There are chances of you encountering sad mood if you are in relationship and aggressive mood if you are married. If this is the case with you, please avoid harsh words to maintain harmony in the relationships. But good news is that harmony in domestic life will be alright and the bonds between the family members is likely to be stronger. Singles may unexpectedly find a loving partner who would stay with them for long term. Nothing particularly serious is expected on the health front, but there exist possibilities of some muscular ache and stomach problems. Towards the end of week, you might like to spend money lavishly. Before proceeding ahead with the rest of the forecast, here is an important announcement. This forecast is a general one for your zodiac sign and is based on the transit of planets only. If you want specific astrological advice from us based on your individual horoscope, you are welcome. The individual predictions will be based on unique horoscope, position of planets, their strengths, dasha system and the transit. Just call us and book an appointment for consultation. And yes, this will be a paid consultation. And now let us continue with the rest of the forecast. Right from the beginning of the week, Libra natives should be able to notice opportunities for progress and growth. Your efforts will form your luck. At work, you should be ready to start new projects or take up more responsibilities. Some Libra natives may find a new job and begin working with a new organization. You may feel energetic. This can help you to make some tough decisions in the family matters which may be pending for some time. This is a time when you may resolve many issues using your good communication skills. You shall be polite and respectful in your communications. On finance front, it would be in your hands to maintain a balance between savings and expenditure. Your relations with your seniors as well as the elders in the family will be cordial. There may be some auspicious moments such as celebrations or a worship occasion in the family. Naturally, there shall be some expenses also on this account. Your health will remain good throughout the week, but it is the physical health and the mood of the spouse which shall need some attention and care. Of course, be cautious about possible indigestion problems about yourself. Your lifestyle will get better gradually. Overall, the professional and domestic life will remain comfortable. At the beginning of the week, there are 3 planets in the 8th house of the Scorpio natives. Let us see what effects this transit can bring in your life this week. The areas of internet, media, publishing, education, information and communication are likely to be affected. So if your line of career is one of these, then be alert. Take an objective look at how your career prospects look to you now. Check if you are providing yourself with a sense of false job security or real business stability. If it is not okay, ask yourself what needs to be done to make it better. Is it change of job or change of attitude or change of business strategy? There may be a chapter of spirituality opening up in your life. This will benefit you in your personal life and would be good for your professional growth too. Careful investments in stocks, shares and in foreign capital will give you moderate gains. Relationship with business partners and associates will be cordial. Together you can face the competition successfully. Health of your mother or an elderly lady at home may go through high and low. You will feel loved and very happy in the company of your life partner. It is quite possible that some of the natives may be dissatisfied with things during the week. If you become restless or impatient, it is likely to have an effect on your way of thinking and speaking. In other words, people may notice that your language is very harsh. This may in turn create some issues in the professional and domestic life. You may even have resentments with regard to the achievement of your goals or your present state of affairs. This is likely to cause you to get upset. Why am I telling you all this? Because you and your family should get alert during this phase. Tell yourself that this too shall pass. After all, nothing is permanent in this life. You may change your place if you don't like, and above all, you are suggested to have patience. Also, try meditation. You are suggested to become strong so that you can take care of parents' health. Legal matters, if any, are likely to move in your favor. Some of the Sagittarius natives may be lucky to come in contact with a wise and knowledgeable person who will give you useful advice to boost your life's growth. Investments done now after careful study will be beneficial in future. Love couples are going to enjoy their life. At the beginning of the week, you may be in a very thoughtful mood or perhaps focusing too much on the negative side of the life. But don't worry, in a day or two, the love of your spouse and the positive thinking of your business associates will pull you out of this. Mid of the week, you may feel committed to your work. You may fully enjoy your work. There is a possibility of some losses in property matters. Thus, it's suggested to have patience. You are likely to see good results of your hard work. Some of the Capricorn natives may think of converting their hobby into a full-time business now. Yes, this week you will be focused on your goals. Your courage can help you make some tough calls. Your juniors and colleagues are going to support your decision. This could be the right time to make some investments for long term, but remember, no speculations. Also, the good academics result of your children will bring happiness and cheerfulness at home. The family focus at present is likely to be able to resolve disputes with your siblings and friends. The beginning of the week may find you busy in children's affairs such as education, etc. Some natives may even be upset with their children's activities. You may also experience some unavoidable expenditure. However, with your mature thinking and positive approach, you will successfully take it in your stride. Students can expect good results with the support of seniors or tutors or friends. Mid of the week, you may be romantic and dedicatedly devote your time and attention to your spouse. Regarding your professional commitments, you may be enthusiastic and speed up your projects. Your diligence can get you ahead in your career. Some of the Aquarius natives may be required to take tough decisions to face competition, and you will get success after a bit of effort. On home front, some of the Aquarius natives may plan some renovation. The transit of planets is suggesting that you avoid rash driving. Some natives may experience chest problems and respiratory issues. There are indications coming from the position of the planets that you may enjoy every moment of your domestic life as well as your work. Your spouse is likely to play a responsible and important role in the family life. A short trip with family is possible. Pisces natives can look forward to a healthy partnership in business. Pisces natives may plan to expand their business activities also. If there are any issues, you will be able to resolve them using your excellent communication skills. If you have appeared for interviews, you can expect favorable results. To enjoy increased comfort at home, you may decide to buy some gadgets. On the finance front, you are likely to make some good investments. Kids are going to be bright in their studies. Pisces students will have all the energy and determination to do well in academics. Love and love relations will prosper. Friends, that was my forecast for you as per your moon sign. In case you want to watch this forecast in Hindi, then the link to the video is given in the description box below. Please do like and share this video. After subscribing this channel, please click the bell icon. I wish you a very happy and prosperous life.